Hello children, good evening. Welcome to the maths class. In today's class, we are going to learn a new topic, that is data handling. Okay children, then come to the lesson. First of all, we have to know what is data and what is data handling. Okay children, here data. Data means any information given to us. Okay children, once again I repeat, data. Data means any information given for us. Okay children, then data handling. Data handling means sorting the information. We can sort the information, okay children, so that it becomes easy to read and understand. Data means any information given, right? Data handling means sorting the information. We can sort the information for the given data, okay children. So only it is very easy to understand, okay children, that is data handling. I will explain you with one example, okay children. See the picture, it is a pond, okay. In this pond, so many different creatures are there. We can sort out, okay. Using this picture, we can create one data, okay. See here, frogs are there, right? How many frogs are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3. So 3 frogs are there, right? Then next count the butterflies. See here, how many butterflies are there? 1, 2. So you have to write 2 butterflies. And then see the birds. So many birds are there, right? You can count the birds now. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 birds are there, right? And then finally we can see fishes are there, right? How many fishes are there? You can count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 4 fishes are there. For this picture, now we can create a data. Okay children, come to the question. See here, the first question is frog. We already counted, right? How many frogs are there children? We can see the picture now. See here, 1, 2 and 3. 3 frogs are there, right? So you have to write 3 here, okay children. Then come to the second question, fishes. We can see fishes in the picture, right? See here, how many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right children? So in the fishes column, we have to write 4, okay children. Then next one is birds. So see how many birds are there? We already counted, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds are flying, right? So here you have to write 3, okay children. Then last one is butterflies. See here, we already count the butterflies, right? How many butterflies are there children? 1, 2. So here your answer is, here your answer is 2, right children? So this is a example for you. It is, I think you all understand, right? So here I give one question for you. See here children, it is a mock statement, okay. One mock statement given for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children mock statement is given for you, okay. That is, out of 10 we have to give marks. Each star represents 1 mark, okay children. Each star represents 1 mark. Here first one is Sarah. Sarah get how many marks? We can find out. So let's we count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Sarah got 9 out of 10. Okay children. Then count the next one. Zara. Zara gets 1, 2. 2 out of 10 marks, okay. And then Ali gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 10, okay children. And the next one is Mary. Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mary gets 10 out of 10, okay children. Next one is Gabriel. Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Gabriel gets 6 out of 10, right children. Then Ahmed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 10. Ahmed and Gabriel gets same marks, okay children. Now I give the questions. We can see the questions now. See here children, take your note, take first page and write today's date and write 0 to 9 and then write topic as data handling, okay children. On the right side you have to write number 651 to 660, right. So and then write question number as 264. It is very important children. Write question number as 264 and then you have to write the questions as A, B, C, D, E, okay children. Now come to the first question children. Question number A. How many marks did Ali get? So we already counted how many marks did Ali get. Again we have to count. It is Ali's mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right. So Ali gets 5 marks. Here you have to write 5, okay children. Then come to the question number B. Who got 10 out of 10 marks? Let's check in the data sheet children. Mary, I think Mary gets 10 out of 10, right? We already counted, right? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, Mary gets 10 out of 10. So here your answer is Mary. Mary. Mary got 10 out of 10 marks. Okay children. Then come to the next question. Question number C. Who got less mark? Let's check it now. Here Zara. Zara got only 2 marks, right? So your answer is Zara. Here you have to write. Who got less marks children? Yes, Zara got less mark, right? Then come to the question number D. Name of the students who got 6 marks in the exam. We have to check it now. Here Gabriel and Ahmed got same marks, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two are got same mark as 6, okay. Here you have to write their names. Gabriel and Ahmed, right? Here you have to write these two names. And then the last question is, who got 9 marks in the exam? We have to check it now. I think Sara got 9 marks. We have to count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, Sara got 9 marks. So in the last question, your answer is Sara. Got it children? I hope you all understood today's class. Okay, you have to take first page and see the data sheet and write only answer. You no need to draw the picture, okay. Just you have to see and answer these questions, okay children. Thank you.